Oh, what do we have here? 28-year-old has no idea she just ended an innocent man's life. Ooh.
On the evening hours of April 1st, 2026, a woman from West Chicago, Illinois was located by police after leaving the scene of a crash involving a motorcyclist, which ended with the man losing his life.
Oh. That can't be good.
How you doing?
I'm okay. I just totally got T-boned.
Okay. You mind stepping out for me real quick? Where's everybody else that was in the car?
Nobody else was in the car.
Nobody else was in the car.
Not a single person.
Okay. So what happened?
I was turning left and somebody completely sideswiped, hit the tail end of my front right, and
Okay, where were they? Where
The tail end of your front. How the fuck?
were they turning from?
from right here, this road right here, turning left, and I was turning left as well, and I had the right of way. I had the right.
Did you have a green light, a red
I had
light?
a green light. I had a green steady light, and I was coming from that way.
She gotta be
turning
drunk.
left,
So you were on
and they
Country
swiped
Club?
me.
Or you were on,
I was on 25 or was it 31? I'm sorry.
okay, you were on 25 and
Yes.
north or south?
That was south, correct?
Towards St. Charles in the
Yes.
south. Okay.
And I was heading to turn this way,
On the Country Club?
and as soon as I did, they swiped my right front end.
Okay, and where were they coming from?
Right on this road. They were
They
going
were
left
on
that way.
Country Club,
Yes, sir.
turning left.
Correct.
So you were turning left on the Country Club from
So I was
southbound
coming
25.
from this way.
But-
coming
so
left
you
side of
weren't,
this road.
this is Country Club though.
Okay.
So give me a second here.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm so frazzled. I finally just got on the phone with the police officer. I'm like shaking up.
She knows she did some bad shit.
No, man, it's 10 for.
This is Route 25 going up and down. This is Country Club. You're trying to make a left on the Country Club, which is this road right here
Okay.
where my squad car is parked.
So right here is 25, correct?
No, this is Country Club.
2139 dog.
And this is 25.
25 is over there.
Okay. So then I may have the road names wrong. However, I was coming from this road.
Okay. So you were on Country Club.
I was on Country Club. I was turning left on this street light. I had the
The street light that's over there.
right here, sir.
There's not a street light here though, ma'am.
Sir,
Those are
Make it make sense, cause it sound like your ass going to jail.
those are my squad car lights.
no. The street light right ahead of that.
There's not
Ahead
a
of
street
the
light
squad
there.
cars.
The street light is over there.
Correct. Okay, I'm sorry. I am
Inebriated.
up there. However, I was coming straight that way and turning left.
South on
this way.
25, turning left on the Country Club.
Sure.
Yes.
And this person was coming straight this way, turning
you
left
think-
that way.
You know, was it a car, a bike, a person?
It
Or
was an SUV. It was
An
a dark
SUV
colored
hit
SUV.
you? And they were on Country Club.
They were right here and they were turning left that way. I was turning left this way. I had the steady green light to turn left. They sideswiped my
You
front
had a
right
steady
end.
green light, so like
I
just a
did.
green circle.
A green circle, yes. And they had probably road light on it.
How'd you end up down here?
When I got sideswiped and T-boned, it completely threw my car off. My tire got flat, my front right end tire, and totally veered me off into here. I was holding on for dear life, just
Go ahead.
about to scream. Next thing you know, I'm
Hour
in
has
this.
denied Floyd.
I did call 911, the dispatcher, and
10-4.
she said, just stay put. They're going to find you.
Did you
Thank
come
God you
to?
guys did.
Did you come to a stop at the intersection?
I did.
Okay. Then how'd you end up over here?
Again, when I turned left, I got my right end to completely swipe.
Yep. And you came to a stop.
I was at a stop before I turned.
Okay. So after you,
Once I turned, she completely slammed into me, and then my tire flattened, and
did you
I
come to a complete stop after the accident happened?
do not know.
Her story does not make sense to me in no shape or form of the fashion. I don't know if she's drunk. I don't know if she's on some type of substance or drug, whatever it is, or she's just nervous. But this does not make sense to me at all.
14-1-10 for.
I couldn't. My car was completely veered in. I couldn't even halt until I came to this.
Because I thought if you got T-boned, you got hit from the back.
22-23-10.
I might be wrong, though.
10 for.
And you think an SUV hit you? Can you describe it?
It was like a hatchback looking situation.
Okay. Can
I'm
you
not
describe
sure,
it to
sir.
me? Don't remember?
Darker colored, like SUV or hatchback. I do not know, honestly.
Right now,
He was so
1385.
excited.
Did
I
you see
saw
the
for
other
a
driver
brief.
at all?
What's that?
Did you see the other driver at all?
I did not. No. I
1385,
saw the
call
car
transfer
again for a
1310.
brief second, and right before I was veering into the ditch.
1310 from 85.
Okay, so you were coming from a friend's house in South Elgin.
1360.
You were
1350.
south on 25, making a left hand on a country club.
Put me on that stack.
And then you were sideswiped by an SUV that was turning from country club onto 25,
That's correct.
and they were making a left. So that doesn't make a whole lot of sense. If that car is making a left and you're making a left, it would have been a front end damage or it would have been your driver's side. So how's your passenger side get
I
hit?
mean, I would say it was more of a T-bone than a side swipe, but
But if the T-bone would have happened, it would have been on your driver's side.
I know. But I started turning in, and she kept going, and we were in the intersection
Which
when that
would have put your
happened.
driver's side against her front end.
If you say so, but I know what happened, so
Okay. And nobody else was in the vehicle when
no, not a
the
single
accident
soul,
occurred?
no.
Okay. And where are you headed to?
Home.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna freak out if I don't get there.
How old are you?
I'm 28.
28. Okay. Hold tight real quick, man.
Okay.
How'd I do that? I'm pretty sure you're 55. Oh, yeah. I'll go through it all. Just keep it here. Okay. Have you had anything to drink tonight, ma'am?
I'm not.
Yeah, she has.
Have you had any drugs or any
She got some.
substances that would make you impaired?
No, sir. No,
Yep.
I'm actually okay on the hospital.
Okay. Are you wanting to do field sobriety test?
No, I'm not.
Okay. You're under arrest for DUI.
Thank you.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'll talk to you soon, okay?
I knew she was out of there.
Do you want to be checked out?
No.
Okay. Track on 1310. We're gonna walk this way.
Okay. Can you grab my phone too?
Yes. We'll come back for it.
Sounds good. Thank you.
1310,
You show one female 95 for 55.
She thinks she's just getting charged with a regular DUI, but Lord, does she not know she's in for a rude awakening.
We have to walk through a broken fence, so
No problem.
we're just gonna go straight up this hill. Just be careful.
Yep.
She did all that? How the f did she get all the way down there?
Yep. I'll tell you when we're close. Watch that front.
Oh, wow.
Sit over here real quick.
They got so many ride sharing apps. You got Uber, you got Lyft, you got a taxi. I'm pretty sure if you call the right person in the middle of the night, they'll come get you. You don't have to drink and drive. There's no point of that shit.
He's gonna transport you. Before we do that, we gotta take the purse off.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
If you change your mind, let me know.
Thank
For the ambulance, you can always have them come to the PD for you.
you, sir.
Yeah, so real quick,
Thank you, sir.
I'm gonna get the her phone for her.
I think it's the keys for a Jeep on the hood. There's one key.
Up there.
Yeah.
The woman was charged with an aggravated DUI, leaving the scene of an accident involving death and reckless homicide.
Oh, damn. She left the scene, but she ain't finna see the light of day. Oh, wow.
While the case is still pending, the court ruled that the driver remain in the Kane County Jail while awaiting trial, as she was deemed a risk to public safety. Thanks for watching today's video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. And that's it, baby. Oh, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.